Hayes from Team Illuminata Motorsport, and Happy New Year. I think when you're seeing this video it's going to be 2021. What a year 2020 was. Apparently we survived it. We moved out of our building in the spring because of, well, it was untenable. Moved everything into storage. Then we got a new building lined up, then the virus hit, so we cancelled the lease on that building. Went into hibernation for 6 months. Tried to build a rally car in the storage unit. You may have been reading about that. And now I've got this building, which we've had for maybe 2 months now. Just chilling out and having a cup of tea and a biscuit. It's not a hobnob. We're out of hobnobs. So I thought I'd do a quick update and show you what we've been doing for the last week. Someone donated some Autosport magazines from the 80s. Thanks, David. These are very interesting stuff. Right up that alley. There's a Dakar, I think that's happening soon. What else did we do? Well, you might have noticed we brought the tent and put it up because, well, not because we need it, because we used it outside over the holidays for an event and it got wet, so we brought it home to dry out, and now I don't think we'll put it away for a while, because why not? See if anything's new up here. Oh, we're under construction. Sorry for the mess, we're painting these walls, so the Audi Quattro has to go under its cover because we don't want dust on it from sanding. Oh, the state of Michigan gave us a nice badge. They came to visit, did a little bit of a workshop with us and told us we're doing a good job and safe to come in if you want to come in. Let's see what else happened. Oh, we're doing that wall over there. Last time all our Finish Line Factory plumbing fittings was on this table, but now they've gone back to the factory, Finish Line Factory. They're going to replace them all with different packaging so that we can hang them on our grid wall and have a grid wall full of Finish Line Factory AN fittings for you to come and play with and hopefully buy. Motul displays, you know about that already. And see, oh, we had a bunch of Corbeau seats come in, so we swapped our race seats from the Quattro and put those back in the car and put these on display. We have one of almost everything race seat, and we even have a reclining seat now, which we never had before. So come on out, and if you need a seat for 2021, pays to sit in some first so you know that they fit. Like helmets, they have to be snug. Well, let's take this brew with me while we walk around here. Oh, that's good. Kitchen's much the same, not much changed. You get some handles, some hardware for the doors, the drawers, and some Flex Seal. You know, you may remember we painted our fridge, and now we feel we should try and paint the seals, which of course are made out of rubber, hence the Flex Seal. We'll see how that goes. See if there's anything exciting here. No, we did put the taps down because we brought a car in. It was dripping, melting ice and other fluids that are not supposed to be dripping out of it. And the leak is back, so I've talked to the landlord about that. Nothing new there. So this is the area we're going to focus on next. This is going to be the workshop. We have to do something about the floor. I think we're committed to pulling the carpet up. These display units may form a barrier separation at this end, and then we may run one of these temporary walls, of which we were donated in abundance, along here to separate it somewhat. This wall will have to go, and then all this stuff will have to get organised. We're bringing our tyre machines in next week from the old building. They've been left in storage there. I think they will go in this corner. Got some steel tables to set up, 2 of those, 2 benches, and toolboxes are here. The parts washer and the hydraulic press. We still need a hoist and a load of other equipment, which we don't have anymore. Some wheels went out of the inventory because we sold them, but we replaced them with all these seats. So we've got a good stock of Corbeau seats right now. And oh, here's a biggie. This is something we did. Put that tea down on there. Back in the storage area, we installed all these racks on the wall. Should have turned the lights on before. I apologise. Production team is slacking. So these were in our tyre room and the other building. We took them off the wall and installed them here. And interestingly, when we were doing that, we found this crack in the wall. It's not really a crack. It's a gap between two panels of concrete block wall. It was top to bottom. And we put these up. It was cold outside and snowing, and you could feel the draft coming through. And then I looked, and you could see light. So texted the landlord, and I must say he came out within 2 hours, or sent his guy out within 2 hours, and sealed up the wall and the crack on the outside in the snow. So already this building is proving way better than the previous building. More of those partition walls there we can play with. Let's see anything else exciting. It's part of the time machine balancer there. Oh, we put the car up on its jack stands, pin stands. Not sure we talked about that before. I guess that's something. Moved it forward somewhat. And we did put the other turn signal lens on because we were missing that, and decided that was something we could do to move the project along. Same guy who donated those old Auto Week magazines, Auto Sport magazines, gave us a bunch more Hot Wheels. Got quite a collection going. Might need to get a bigger desk. And I think we talked about this before. This is the latest edition. I think it's a 991 slant nose that was in Rothman's livery. Of course, is now Tim braided. Goes nicely with the collection. So I think that's all we did. Not a lot. But next time we might have a workshop. See how that goes. Have to pull the carpet up next week. Wish us luck. Talk to you soon. Bye. As you're planning your winter build or race car refresh this year, make sure to stop by teamilluminata.com and check out our selection of motorsport grade hoses, AN fittings and adapters by Finish Line Factory. These are high quality products at very affordable prices, with most items in stock in our Bloomfield Hills showroom.